Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to talk about the Artti T10. The packaging for the Artti T10 is pretty straightforward and minimalist. With a simple top and bottom design and color scheme, open the box, you find the earphones in the middle of a foam pad. The accessories are quite basic, a user manual and a fabric carrying case. Inside the case, you'll find 6 pairs of silken ear tips in different sizes and a 4 strands 2016 core high purity copper silver cable. The cable looks good with a beautiful design featuring 2 types of blackened, translucent and clear outer layers woven together, giving it a rich, textured look. The 0.78mm dual pen connector and 3.5mm jack are compatible with most hi-fi headphones and various players. There's also a 4.4mm version available now onto the earbuds. At first glance, they might seem a bit cheap. The ivory white cylindrical body is made from resin, which compared to the metal materials used in many current competitors might feel a bit less premium. However, it's still very sturdy. The top features an aluminum panel with sunburst-like reflective pattern, giving it a distinctively retro look. Each earbud weighs just 3.8 grams. They don't have any pulling or discomfort, and they fit in the ear very well, making them comfortable even for all-day wear. However, there are some details where the build quality is a bit lacking. The sound nozzle had noticeable molding lines, the rough edges from the molding process. The filter mesh also looks quite cheap. The price of $72 on Amazon. Does the build quality bother you? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. In terms of acoustics unit, the Artti T10 stands out from other headphones in the same price range by not using a traditional dynamic driver. Instead, it features a 14.2mm dual magnetic planar driver. The advantage of this driver is that it provides a more even magnetic field distribution, resulting in more linear diaphragm movements and reduced distortion. This is reflected in the Artti T10's total harmonic distortion, THD, of just minor equal 1.5%. Plus, the 14.2mm planar driver size competes well with dynamic drivers. When it comes to the cable, the Artti T10 uses a 4-core 216 strands high purity copper wire coated with silver. The high purity materials and silver coating not only help reduce interference and distortion during signal transmission, maintaining signal purity, but also give the cable a premium look. The silver coating also prevents natural oxidation of the copper, keeping the cable looking bright and new. When it comes to the sound quality, we tested the frequency response of the Artti T10, and the consistency between the left and the right ears is high, closely matching the Harman curve. And actual use, I was quite impressed with the Artti T10's sound. The overall sound signature leans toward a warm mid to lower range tone. The horizontal soundstage is fairly wide, while the vertical soundstage is slightly perceptible. It doesn't have the dramatic expensive feel that some dynamic headphones offer. The clarity of sound is smooth and well balanced. When listening to high frequency instruments, the Artti T10 delivers clean, fast and airy sound with clear imaging. The tone in which leans toward a mid to lower range warmth perfectly balances the high frequencies. As a result, cymbals come through crisp and clear without being harsh or piercing. When it comes to mid-range vocals, I really like them. There is no coloration or added effects. Whether it's male or female voices or any type of vocal, the reproduction in songs is incredibly accurate and natural. In terms of bass, it holds its own alongside the mid-range. The quantity is just right, with no overwhelming presence. The transient response is excellent, giving drums a lot of punch. However, if you're a fan of electronic dance music, it might not be as explosive as you'd expected.
Let myself down to the bottom. Here is no place to hide and no one can call me. My name is so dirty, call me dirty girl. You made me a sinner, so I'm on my own. Falling apart, never stopping to
Lastly, the Artti T10 has a low impedance of just 16 mega and high sensitivity of 96 decibel. This makes the earphones easy to drive and they perform really well even with less expensive gear. Plus, during my test with various devices, I didn't experience any background noise or interference due to low impedance and high sensitivity, which is great. Overall, the Artti T10 is great for pop, rock, and slightly smaller scale songs. If you enjoy these types of music, this might be a solid choice for you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.